Welcome back to Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Dogecoin and Robinhood is one story we just can't get enough of. Robinhood, one of the largest crypto exchange platforms in the world and in the United States, is one of the biggest advocates of Dogecoin as we know it. As a matter of fact, they're leading towards adding more cryptocurrencies of late. There's not a lot that they're missing out on in the crypto market, and they are one of the early adopters of Dogecoin on their platform. Many Doge investors who've had their fortunes turned around will have Robinhood to thank for enlisting Dogecoin as one of the cryptocurrencies available for trading. The exchange, of course, has not run a loss in the chance it took on a virtual currency that is deemed as a joke. They've made this public in one of their most recent statements. The company revealed about a month ago that crypto transactions amounted to about 90% of their total revenue, and now they say that Dogecoin holds about 62% of the total revenue they generate from crypto transactions. Why is Robinhood revealing these facts at this time? The company is set to become the second US-based crypto exchange to go public on a stock exchange, as a publicly traded company after Coinbase. One of the prerequisites of the SEC is the declaration of assets and account statements that will provide a basis of trust for intending investors who want to buy shares in the company. From what we've seen, Dogecoin is an important piece of the puzzle for Robinhood. Isn't it funny that a cryptocurrency that started as a joke to make fun of the wild speculation in cryptocurrencies now generates that kind of crypto revenue? It is what it is, and that's what we're going to be addressing today. Not too long ago, Robinhood's CEO claimed that Dogecoin accounted for 62% of crypto revenue in the second quarter. This can be considered good news because the crypto world has suffered some setbacks for a while now. Despite the fact that Dogecoin went down with the others, it still beat the odds. Many analysts predicted that Dogecoin would go back down to zero, but the meme coin is back up and running, and so is Robinhood, who are happily raking in the profits of the increase in trading volume of Dogecoin due to the current upside trend. Let's take a thorough look at what the trading app Robinhood meant when it revealed to us that crypto accounted for more than half of all transactions-based sales in the second quarter, and 62% of crypto revenue came from Dogecoin. We know from its first earnings report since its IPO last month that the revenue Robinhood received from crypto transactions was $233 million, up from just $5 million in the year-ago quarter. Crypto accounted for 52% of transaction-based revenue, rising from 17% in the first quarter and 4% in the fourth quarter of last year. From what the company indicated, we can also confirm that more than 60% of cumulative net funded accounts traded crypto in the quarter. Robinhood stated in the earnings statement that the 3 months ended June 30th, 2021 is the first quarter where a larger share of new customers placed their first trade in crypto rather than equities. While Robinhood gained popularity by bringing free stock trading to a new generation of investors, the company has also been a big beneficiary of the surge in cryptocurrency markets, which is a great advantage to them. The app allows investors to buy and sell 7 digital currencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. What could have caused the rise? The surge in the second quarter cryptocurrency trading, highlighted by Robinhood, was in part driven by the altcoin market. The altcoin market capitalization, or total cryptocurrency market cap minus that of Bitcoin, hit a peak valuation of just under $1.5 trillion in mid-May as a wide range of coins posted double and triple-digit percentage gains in 2021. Elon Musk and Reddit pet crypto Dogecoin showed probably the most spectacular rally in the first few months of this year, soaring from under 1 cent at the start of 2021 to over 74 cents in early to mid-May. Dogecoin is currently quoted on either side of 30 cents, something that would be unbelievable if you were told before the surge. Cryptocurrencies had a particularly explosive second quarter. The price of Bitcoin plunged by more than 40% after a huge rally in 2020, though it has since recovered much of that value. Ethereum, meanwhile, rose by about 18% and Dogecoin more than quadrupled in value. Amazing, right? Well, Robinhood noted that the highly volatile crypto sector played a crucial role in raising the total revenue for the platform, as its customers largely adopted digital assets over the last year. While the crypto revenue was limited to $5 million in the second quarter of 2020, it increased to $233 million in the second quarter of 2021, up by nearly 500%. Robinhood also stated in its IPO prospectus that Dogecoin accounted for 34% of its cryptocurrency transaction-based revenue in the first quarter, up from 4% in the fourth quarter of last year. Much of that increase coincided with a barrage of tweets about Dogecoin from Tesla CEO Elon Musk. That number jumped significantly higher in the latest period as Dogecoin's value continued to soar. Despite record numbers, Robinhood shares slumped post-announcement after the company warned of lower third-quarter revenues if care is not taken. The company underlined that trading the meme-inspired Dogecoin accounted for 34% of its cryptocurrency turnover in the second quarter, and that if this revenue is not replaced in the third quarter, that business may be adversely affected. In the earnings statement, Robinhood even included a specific risk in its prospectus and quarterly report tied to Dogecoin, remarking that its business could be hurt if the markets for Dogecoin deteriorate or if the price of Dogecoin declines, which many businesses would not want because of the adverse effect it would have on them. What we can deduce is that Robinhood makes money in crypto by routing orders to market makers that the company says offer competitive pricing and taking a percentage of the order value. Overall, crypto assets on the platform almost doubled in the second quarter to $22.7 billion from $11.6 billion a quarter earlier and $3.5 billion at the end of 2020. If things go sideways, it won't be the fault of anybody but the inherent market volatility that's often the bane of any and all cryptocurrencies. Now let's take a look at some other news about Dogecoin that could offer us insight into the next market dynamics. Dogecoin is currently about 63% higher than the value which it held before entering the month of August. Just a few weeks ago, Dogecoin was languishing at around 17 cents, and it looked like the end of days for it. It was an eclipse of what had been a joyous ride for everyone in the Doge market as we know it. It got its total year-to-year growth rate reduced from about 7,000 to about 5,000%, and it also dipped about 80% from its highest historical value of over 70 cents. The seventh largest crypto in the world by market cap is now valued at a range between 31 to 35 cents and is desperately trying to break the jinx of a resistance at 35 cents. The price at that level is proving to be a tough nut to crack for the renewed price action of Dogecoin. From the market view, Dogecoin is destined for new highs, but the possible time frame is unknown given the high volatility surrounding the current market. We have about half the general market on the rise, led by Bitcoin and Ethereum, who are testing resistances at $45,000 and $3,500 respectively. It seems like every crypto is facing challenges of its own, and Dogecoin's own dilemma is to find its way above the current resistance and settle at 40 cents. This will take it some ways closer to breaching the atmosphere of its all-time high once more. From the 40 cents level, the coin will have two resistances set between it and the all-time high. The anticipated resistances are 50 cents and 60 cents. Once both are broken and the price settles at its all-time high or slightly above it, there will be a rise in buzz and buyers' inflow that will inspire the coin towards $1 in a matter of weeks, spreading over the months. However, either of this is possible if the current bullish market continues to surge further. Dogecoin is sure to hit the stratosphere and bring greater riches to its loyal investors. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.